Let me show you how to make this simple coleslaw with things you already have in your kitchen. Sugar, mayo, seasoning, and vinegar. I season with black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, and seasoning salt. Mix it on up. When adding your ingredients, start with a little and add more. So start with a little seasoning. You can always add more. Start with a little mayo. You can always add more. So shake up that apple cider vinegar, baby. Add that. Start with a little. Add more. Everything little, add more if need be. Add your sugar. Mix her on in. You taste her. She tastes good, throw her in the bowl, put her in the fridge, and baby, when she come out, so good.